Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. For today, we'll be talking about designing your very own e-commerce app. So this video is going to be a step-by-step guide to make you understand how you can design your very own e-commerce app. Before starting the designing process, it's important to identify your target audience. Who are the people that are going to be using your e-commerce app? What are their needs, their interests and their preferences? The first step that comes into the design process is research. Learn about the brand and how creatively you can design their app. The second step is going to be creating your user personas. Based on your target audience, create user personas to help you understand their behavior, their motivation and their pain points. This will give you a clear idea of the features and the design elements that will be appealing to them. Third point, creating a user flow. Once you have a clear understanding of your target audience, create a user flow. This will help you to map out the different steps a user will take to complete a task such as making a purchase. So the fourth point is going to be sketching out the wireframes. Based on your user flow, start sketching out wireframes. Wireframes are low fidelity designs that help you establish the layout and structure of your e-commerce app. This will help you identify any potential usability issues and make changes before moving on to high fidelity design. Next, we move on to the designing high fidelity mockups or high fidelity wireframes. Once you have wireframes, start designing in high fidelity. That is, start using your laptops and start sketching it out. The sixth point is going to be design system. Now this is the part where you document what kind of typography, that is what kind of fonts you will be using for your app. Second comes the brand color. That means what kind of color combinations you are going to be using for your app, the variations, the saturations of those colors. If you are using a light and dark theme, then what kind of combinations will be in both of them. And the final thing comes as components. The component list that is going to be used in your app. Next point comes our favorite, that is the UI part. That means this is the point where we will be designing our UI of the app. Take your high fidelity wireframes and start coloring as per you want. It is a most likely hit and trial method to make you understand that which and where what colors are going to be suitable for you. The last point comes as test and iterate. Once you have your UI design ready, start testing your designs with real users. Now this is going to be giving you an insight of how to identify any usability issues and make changes before launching your very own app. So once you've done the final step, that is testing and iterating, there is also a bonus step if you want to make your designs much more better. That is launching and monitor. Once your e-commerce app is live, monitor the user behavior and get feedbacks. This will help you to identify any areas that need improvement and make changes to enhance the user experience. So that's it guys. Follow these steps to create your very own e-commerce app. Now stay tuned for part 2.